see the sun's coming up. I think it's only about 5:30. Sunrise is coming. And there's my Ruger looking for his morning grass. He goes around and eats grass. He's very particular about which particular strands of grass he'll eat out of a bunch. So, you see that one's not good enough. I asked the vet about it, and she says, well, it means he has an upset stomach. Okay, why would it be upset? Let's go see what the saguaro's looking like. I bet it's got some sun on it. Well, not quite. Just about to. It says 10 to 20 centimeters away is the best angle. I have no idea how far that is. There's a real rose. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know if I can adequately convey how underwhelmed I am. Yeah. It's about 7 o'clock, and I didn't know that the flowers came out before sunset. I thought they always waited until dark to bloom. And then by the next morning after the sun came up, they disappeared. But obviously, each of the other buds are gone. Getting close to the end for this one. I sure hope they got pollinated. Ooh, what did I find here? I don't know if it bloomed or not. Hopefully it got pollinated. And now it's making seeds. Doing, Ruger? Hey puppy, how you doing? How you doing? Smile pretty. Now, does that look like the dog that looks like it thinks it's sleeping inside tonight? Good Ruger. Oh, good puppy. There it is, the tail there. So you can see it's not a rattle. There's the rest of it. I got it zoomed up. Oh. Likes flicking his tongue at me though. Alright, time to leave it alone. Oh. Alright. I also got my hammock hanging back up. That's where I'm going to put it. First time in over 3 years. I get to hang out here a little more often, and it's up here by carabiners, so all I got to do is clip, clip, and it comes down. Clip, clip, goes back up. Alright, well, I got the gutter permanented up as much as I can. Bunch of gutter spikes in it. But now, I'm going to do a test. This is full of water. Got all the seams siliconed up. And I know it's not perfectly level. I guarantee you that. Okay, let's see. I know I got a little drip there. Drip there. And another little drip there. It's cold water. Now all I need is a bucket down here and something to direct the water into the bucket. Everything else is done. Yep, getting there. There's no shaking or rattling or nothing. It's all nice and secure. Good morning, everyone. A beautiful day here. Weather's finally getting warm enough. Hopefully, it's supposed to be close to 90 today. There they are. It's supposed to be close to 90 today and 100 by Monday. Hallelujah! Finally! I'm so tired of freezing cold every morning. It's only 50 right now. Yep. That's all that's left out of all the flowers I tried to grow. Well. Y'all have a fun week. Take care. Bye.